The truth is that our bodies hold on to everything, every experience, every emotion, every wound, and the lower abdomen, often called the sacral chakra, is one of the places where that emotional stress and trauma can get stuck. This area is deeply connected to the reproductive glands, the ovaries in women, and testes in men, which regulate our hormones that directly impact our emotions, creativity, and even our ability to connect with others. And this is where social anxiety comes from. When we go through emotional wounds like rejection, neglect, or betrayal, this area often becomes blocked, and that can show up as tightness, discomfort, or even an inability to fully express or feel emotions. Loss or broken relationships can also leave this lingering hurt here, while fears of not belonging or feeling unworthy can shut down the natural flow of creativity and essentially joy in our lives. So here's the good news. Breathwork is one of the most powerful ways to address this. Through intentional belly and pelvic breathing, we release that tension and signal to the body that it's safe. It's safe to feel, safe to heal, safe to let go. As a breathwork facilitator and life coach, we guide our clients through practices that activate that parasympathetic nervous system, calming the reproductive glands and bringing hormonal and emotional balance back into the body. And this is when your body actually begins to recalibrate, reducing stress hormones like cortisol and increasing those feel good neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. Breathwork is known for stimulating that vagus nerve, activating the parasympathetic nervous system, our rest and digest response, which helps to lower the heart rate, improve digestion, and essentially promote a sense of calm, a state of calm. Even just a few minutes of that focused breathing each day can help release these physical and emotional blocks, bringing your nervous system back into balance, which allows for obviously healthier connections within yourself and with others. This part of the body is not just about healing, it's about stepping back into your power, your creativity, and your confidence.